In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to communicate with clients in ClickUp. By the end, you'll know how to keep conversations organized right inside your tasks so everyone stays aligned and nothing gets lost in email threads. First, open ClickUp and look to the left sidebar. That's your main navigation hub. From there, head into the area where you manage that client's work and click into the appropriate space. Using a dedicated space keeps everything separated and makes it easier to control what your client can see. Inside the space, open the task you want to discuss. Tasks are the best place for client communication because comments, attachments, checklists, and status updates live together with the work itself. Before you reach out, make sure the task title is clear and the description provides enough context, goals, scope, or links to drafts so your client understands exactly what they're reviewing. Now, use the comment box in the task to contact the client. Type the @ symbol and start typing their name, then select them from the list. This @ mention will notify the client and bring them directly to this task. In your message, be specific about what you need, approval, feedback, or a decision, and include any relevant dates. Clear, focused requests help your client respond quickly and reduce back and forth. If your client doesn't have access yet, use the share button on the right side of the task. This opens the sharing panel for that item. Type their email address or search their name to invite them. Only invite the people who truly need access to keep things simple and secure. Depending on your plan, clients typically join as guests, which helps protect the rest of your workspace while giving them what they need to collaborate. You can also share a direct link to the task. Use the share link in the same panel, copy it, and send it through your usual channel, like email or chat. The link respects your permissions, so if they don't have access yet, they'll be prompted to accept the invitation. Before sharing, give the task a quick review to ensure there's nothing internal that shouldn't be visible externally. That's the full workflow. Navigate from the sidebar into the right space, open the task, and mention your client in a clear comment. Use the share option to invite them by email or name, and send the link when needed. Keep your communication inside the task so decisions and files are easy to find later, and you'll keep your client informed while saving your team time.